Hello student, this is a video of Maths 1, lesson number 2, quadratic equation, and it is a video number 12 of the lesson quadratic equation. We started the practice set 2.5. In previous video I showed you some example. Today we will see one more example. See, the example is written in front of you on the screen. You can see the example. Also you keep your textbook open in front of you. Exercise number 2.5, question number 5. See, the example is sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if equation is kx square minus 4x minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. See what is given. In the equation the condition is given, in the example the condition is given and we have to find the k of the given quadratic equation. Once again you see what is the condition. Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. This is a condition, and if this is a condition then you have to find out k of the given quadratic equation, that is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. So we will solve it. First write down the equation once again. See, the equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. This is a given equation. If you see this equation, here you can see x square is the first term, minus 4kx is the second term, plus k is the third term, plus 3 is the fourth term equal to 0. But in the standard form of the quadratic equation tells us that it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In the standard form you can see there are three terms. Ax square first, bx second, c is the third. And the given example or the equation in the question is with the four terms, that is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. So first this given equation we will convert into standard form. This is the standard form, and then we will solve according to the given condition. So how you will convert? See, look here, x square minus 4kx plus this last c term we will make it binomial term. That means we will say k plus 3. We put it in the bracket. Now it is not the k and 3 are not the separate terms, but now k plus 3 is one term. So x square is the first term, minus 4kx is the second term, plus k plus 3 is the third term equal to 0. Now compare it with the ABC. So you will get here A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4k x is a variable. A means 1, B means minus 4k, and C is equal to k plus 3. C is equal to k plus 3. So from the equation, the A's value is 1, B's value is minus 4k, and C's value is k plus 3. This is the starting of the example and it is very important. So you must read the question carefully, observe the given equation carefully, and then decide what you are going to do. So this way we have to prepare, and then now see the condition. In the condition it is said, again you read the example. In the condition it is said, sum of the roots of the quadratic equation is double their product. So according to the condition we will go now. Sum of the roots of the quadratic equation double their product. So here we will say by the condition or by the given. If alpha and beta are two roots, then by the given condition we can write sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. That means alpha plus beta is equal to double their product, that is double of alpha into beta. Sum of the product is sum of the roots is double of their product. So we multiplied it with the 2. So this we get from the given condition. We can say it is given. Now we have to find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta separately. Already we wrote the values of A, B and C. So alpha plus beta is equal to, we know the formula, minus b upon a. We completed it in the first video. So minus b upon a, put the prices, minus b upon a, b's value is minus 4. So minus 4k upon a is equal to 1. That means it is plus 4k. So you can say alpha plus beta is equal to plus 4k. So here we completed the half example. Now we will find out the value of alpha into beta. So alpha into beta, the formula is C upon A. C's value is k plus 3 upon 1. That means equal to k plus 3. So separately we got the value of A plus B and alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Suppose you can say, once again you see what is written here. We said alpha plus beta is equal to 2 alpha beta. It is a given, but here we will say it is a equation number 1. This is a given thing. We will say it is equation number 1. Then separately we find out the value of alpha plus beta. We will say it is equation number 2. Separately we got the value of alpha into beta. We will say it is equation number 3. And now this 2 and 3's value you put in the equation number 1. So you will get here from 1, 2 and 3, or you can say put the value of 2 and 3 into 1, that also you can say. We will get alpha plus beta is equal to double of alpha beta, that means alpha plus beta is equal to 4k equal to 2 multiplied by k plus 3. And then just solve it. Now it is a simple calculation. 4k is equal to 2k plus 6. So 4k minus 2k is equal to 6. I am solving it here. 4k minus 2k is equal to 2k equal to 6. So k is equal to 6 upon 2, that means 2 3s are 6. So k is equal to 3. This way we get the value of k. So it is a simple example, only we have to use the given information and observe the example carefully and solve it. Otherwise nothing is there. You have to concentrate on the calculation and the given thing. Then you can combine the knowledge which you have and solve the example. So this way you try to complete the remaining examples. If you cannot, I will help you to solve the examples from the exercise. Thank you.